I will resort to, especially if I wasn't being on camera, I would resort to get 2 screwdrivers and prying them out of there. But you got to be careful on these pumps because the lip of that gets so close, and if you break that lip right there, you can break the sealing surface of the impeller. And this one, it is actually moving.
What about a 90-degree needle nose?
That'd be fine. It'd work too. You'll be pulling a little bit straighter too.
Almost,
almost, but not quite. This is where you're going to see the swelling. The swelling. I see these 9,000 swell a lot. I don't know, 8,000. Excuse me. Swell big time. It's in there.
You been a dentist?
I have.
I think I've been to you. Well, I hear the laughing gas. Yeah, I think I've been to you.
We'll be able to do that. Man, that thing is.
You got more hand strength than I got, Terry.
Yeah, this thing has grown. That's what makes them so hard to pull. I'll show you when I get it out of here, if I ever do get it out of here. Oh, come on, baby.
Did one of those pullers work?
No, the pullers are too long.
I've got a real little toy in the truck. It's a real short one. It works good for these.
The impeller's about halfway out. It's just
fighting. It's stuck. It's just in there sideways, kind of.
Is this where you take 2 screwdrivers and work on it?
Well, I like not to do that if you just have business. That's a last resort, because most people will get into this real soft brass, and it's it's less than 1/8 of an inch right there. And if you bend that or break that piece off, then you lose the ability to seal. It ain't but about like pump's probably about $450, $500. So we don't tear it unless we have to.
And it ruins your weekend.
It sure does. You little turd.
That'll help.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You gotta talk to it.
Talk to it. Can I get a good grip on that sucker?
Let's see if I got interlocks in here.
See, you got vice grips. A little bitty pair of vice grips.
I mean,